In today's video, I will show you how to reverse a text. There are numerous methods in Excel to accomplish this task. I will show you few of them. I will start with the step-by-step process here, and then I will consolidate this inside reduce function. Let me start with an empty string. For that, start double quotes and close double quotes. What we call is zero length text string. Then I will try to extract one character from the starting position of our input range. I will be dragging this across right, so I will log the column reference. Start number argument, I will feed 1. Number of characters argument, I will place 1. Close parenthesis and press Ctrl Enter. Then I will try to concatenate this with our initial value. Then press Ctrl Enter. This is the result of our first iteration. In the next iteration, I will drag this formula across right. Here in the start number argument, I will replace it with 2 and I will press Ctrl Enter. We pick one character from second position and then concatenate with our accumulator. Here, the result of previous iteration is our accumulator or initial value. The same way, I drag this across right. Instead of 2, I will replace it with 3. You can see here, it's getting into shape, texts are getting reversed. If we do this iteration for maximum length of characters, in our case, A9 contains 21 characters, which is a maximum length of characters. If we do this iteration for 21 times, our text will be reversed. I will delete this, so then we can start this from scratch here. I will start with the reduce function. Initial value argument, as I told you, zero length text string. Array argument, I will try to pick length from our input range. To extract maximum value, I will use max function. I will wrap it inside sequence function to create sequence of numbers. This is our array from 1 to 21. That argument is function. Reduce is a lambda helper function. So I will start with the lambda and I will declare two variables. First one is A for accumulator. Next one is B for current value. In our custom calculation, I will start with the mid function. The text argument, I will refer our input range A2 to A9. Start number argument, each iteration, our start number argument is current value, which is V. Number of characters, I will place 1. We will extract one character from each position and then we will concatenate this with our accumulator. Close parenthesis for lambda and reduce and press Ctrl Enter. Here is our expected result. In second method, I will try to create sequence of numbers based on length of our input text. In order to reverse this sequence, I will deduct this from length of our input text. Our requirement is to start the sequence from 9 till 1. For that, I will add 1 here. Now the sequence is properly reversed. I can use the sequence inside mid function. The text argument refer A to Z. Our sequence of numbers are in start number argument. Number of characters argument, I will place 1, close parenthesis and press Ctrl Enter. Text is reversed here. Now I can use concat function to concatenate this into single text. We can use this construction inside map function. The array argument refer our entire input range. Map is the lambda helper function, so I will start with the lambda and I will declare one variable. I will replace that A2 reference with the X. You can provide any name here. Let me close parenthesis for lambda and map and press Ctrl Enter.